I've been asked to make a video of the mods I've done to my 2012. This girl is for sale. First and foremost, remote start. And I'll start up front. It's been a few issues at night. I've had some fuses blow, what have you. Needed access to the engine bay. Flashlight just wasn't enough. The light on the phone wasn't enough, so I added, sorry about that, 12-volt fused engine bay lighting. I tried using a hood pin switch here at first. I didn't like the way it looked, so I just went with this aftermarket rocker toggle, if you will. Let me show you with the lights off. Okay, dark, desolate country road. Bam! 1, 2. Connect here with a quick disconnect in case I ever have to take the hood off, and I've got it fused straight to the battery. Okay, second, here in the Piedmont region of North Carolina, our air conditioning seems to struggle in the summer if you're not moving a lot. If you don't get ample airflow over the radiator. So I don't know if you can see those clearly in there. I've added 2 10-inch push fans. It came with a thermostat. The relay for the thermostat has an override switch that I mounted in that cluster down there. So I have continuous fuse 12 volt to the fan on demand. LEDs, I'm gonna turn those off. Of course, this thermostat is adjustable. I painted this little knob white so it was easier to see the temperature. So you, as you can see, Fahrenheit is on the inside there. I keep it around 180, but just to show on it. So I mean, it'll stay 80, but Toyota's recommending around 180. I keep it right there. Hard to see that second one. Okay, anyway, for those of you who have children who have multiple electronic devices they need charging, this is an option now on the 2016, but I added a USB port back here. The lighting's bad, sorry about that. But anyway, you get the gist of it. That's 12 volt continuously fuse to the battery, so the kids never lose power there if they're watching a movie or charging their phone when I turn the ignition on. I've already posted the tailgate mod I've done, but I've also added a power outlet back here with a voltmeter. So I also have 2 USB ports in the back, and then the old style 12 volt power supply. That's all I can think of. Hope this helps.